Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Tim Aslan here. Um, yeah, happy Thursday. Um, let's get right into it. So, Bitcoin, my last video was right before this low on, I think the video was on Thursday or Friday. But then we put in this low. If you remember, this was my zone and it played out very well. So, we got a 11% move up from that zone. So hopefully you guys took some longs. I personally longed Bitcoin and then ETH and XRP, guys. If you remember XRP, that was a big level down here and just like a monster pump. Maybe it's not time for 75 cents, but at least we got a pretty monster pump and was able to take some profit up here. It did hit a bear target for now, though, so you know odds are it might break these lows again, but stop is at entry. We're good. TP about 70%. Um, and then let's see, ETH real quick. ETH, this was my setup personally. Um, Not the best R, to be honest. Oh, actually, yeah, two R, decent, right? Um, but I'm a little. I think we should go a little higher. We might go lower first though. So as you can see, Bitcoin did this like choppy kind of triple wave looking move up. Um, so at first I fibbed it like this. And as you can see, we went over the 1.618. We missed the 200%. So to me, it felt like this wasn't done. Then we did this corrective structure down, hit the 1.23 and went up again. But the first target, if you fib this with the trend based fib, the first target is this 618. And so personally, I was waiting to short it today up there. We have a lot of confluence there. It's the monthly open, there's a daily, there's some liquidity here. And actually, from the move up, this is the point of control. So this is a very, very strong level there, but we didn't get it quite yet. So there's a few ways to look at it, but kind of one that I'm leaning towards if we do go down now is that this is a leading like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading um, like this. And so what we expect now is a triple wave down, maybe tap this weekly open, but just some kind of triple wave structure down. And I'll update you guys, but we would look for longs again. And then probably significant take profit point is that 59K area. Because what could happen is we could get a new pivot where let's say we stop here, 618 matches again, or we go lower. Just depends how low we go. If we go to the weekly open and then pump up again, I don't have a Elliott wave target at that level. And if I don't have an Elliott wave target at that level, it can still act as a strong point of resistance for a decent little short, but I wouldn't expect it to be the top. I would expect to hit it, go down, then go up again. So it just depends where the Elliott wave target is. I trust those personally more than the levels, but you can still get a good trade off of the level. Um, Stocks, if you remember, we were down here, had a really nice dip, and then I said, these might break the highs. So far, so good. We had a nice move up. I currently am short and in profit on SPX. So I think we might get a retracement down as well. Something like this before continued upside. And that kind of matches what I'm thinking with Bitcoin pretty well. So, depending what time you see this video, I think today might close red. Then tomorrow's Friday. We have some economic data tomorrow, then weekend. So probably next week, if I'm right, we'll kind of be in this area around here. And then that's where opportunities are for longs. unless we just get a big flush down now. So depending on where price is at this video, I don't have targets quite yet because we haven't done, this pivot yet. And you would pivot using this pivot, and then this pivot. So that would give you targets down here. So depending where those targets are, we'll probably know in the next video. But let me check if there's any levels here or anything. So this wick is pretty big. You can see that. It's probably going to get taken out. So I wouldn't really look too long until this wick gets taken out. And then we have a daily, got tapped already. Weekly open is a big level. If you go on smaller time frames, like the 1 hour, you can see these two wicks right here are both unswept liquidity. So I could see us going down and getting those. If you do a TR pocket from this range right here using that new range high, we actually get a nice match with the weekly open and that TR pocket and that liquidity zone down here. So potentially we can go down there and then go back up. But personally, I don't think it will break these lows quite yet. For me, the highest probability is taking out this high, whether it be now or after retracement. And, if we don't go lower yet and take out this high immediately, I would short this 618. If we do go lower first, I would look to long and then take profit there or higher up. But yeah, guys, I hope that helped you. If you have questions, you can leave it below or DM me on Twitter. And if you need a good exchange to trade with, check out Bit2Next. No VPN, no KYC in the US or wherever you're trading. Not condoning you use that in the US. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Share it, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.